Hi guys, welcome to JVIAS. I'm Jatin Verma, your mentor for current affairs. Guys, in this session, I'm going to take you through the features of Current Affairs Roundup 365, my upcoming course on JVIAS Academy. Many of you keep on asking the questions as to how this course is going to be different from the daily The Hindu news analysis that I am known for. Guys, this course will provide you that edge which a UPSC aspirant requires to find his name in the merit list. This course will cover Yojana, Kurukshetra, Frontline, The Hindu newspaper, in-depth analysis of each and every editorial and providing you that analysis, the gist of that analysis in the points format, so that many of you, when you struggle with the notes making aspect of the current affairs, that task would be taken care of by the JVIAS Academy through this course. This is a very popular course otherwise as well, which helps you get a grip on the current affairs so that you can recollect the points of the current affairs articles, be it any issue, Article 370, National Register of Citizens, coronavirus vaccines, factual details plus analytical aspects. Everything will be covered in these interactive live sessions on a daily basis for 2 hours. This will cover your all the magazines, RSTV programs. Me and my team outside, we will be covering these things for you so as to ease your task of covering the current affairs in a holistic manner, and we would be providing you as much as required so that you need not run from pillar to post. Sometimes I see the aspirants are visiting PIB, then they are visiting some other website, then they are covering some newspaper clippings, cuttings. That task will be taken care of by the JVIAS Academy. If you join this course, the fee has been kept as rupees 15,000 after discount, and the fee is very nominal considering the amount of hard work that we at JV's IAS Academy would be putting into this course. And from January 2021 onwards, this course would change its nature to revision part, to the revision aspect. The revision aspect would be more focused upon alongside the daily current affairs from the 1st of January 2021. Now, another question that comes is whether this course will be relevant for those who are preparing for 2022. If we see the current affairs related questions of last few years and then we try to answer this question for you, answer is yes, this will be relevant for those who are planning to appear in 2022 as well, because of late it has been observed that UPSC is asking the current affairs on the basis of a trend phenomena, on the basis of judgments of last 2-3 years, economic problems of India of last 3-4 years, and committees like Nachiket More committee and Urjit Patel committee, questions related to these committees have been asked. And then we come across the questions like government bringing about the ordinance around the issues of agriculture, contract farming, etc. Now, this particular news article of government bringing about an ordinance to implement the Contract Farming Act, it is related to the Shanta Kumar Committee report of 2014. It will be our job here to cover these archives of current affairs for you guys. Having made my name in the arena of current affairs for last 3-4 years now, and have been helping the students in covering the current affairs, and students have been able to answer around 25 to 35 questions in the prelims exam, it tells us that yes, our approach has been efficacious, our approach has been effective insofar as these current affairs are concerned. So you can go ahead and join this current affairs course at www.jatinverma.org. I would expect you guys not to have any doubts insofar as current affairs as an area of UPSC exam is concerned, be it of economy, be it of polity, be it of environment and ecology. I, Jatin Verma, assure you that this aspect will be taken care of by me and me alone for you guys. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.